In this video, we'll show you two options that people use to repair a wet phone. One costs €1 and 1 minute of work, and you don't need any technical knowledge. The other option requires you to be a technician with experience and knowledge. The first option that almost everyone recommends, except us, is to put it in rice. We want to test the rice, so to do that, we'll put this turned on mobile in the water, take it out quickly and turn it off. Then we'll put it in rice, leave it in for 72 hours and let's see what happens. Meanwhile, we'll explain how a technician should repair a wet phone well. Step 1. Without connecting it to the power and without turning it on, open the device and inspect it carefully. One thing that can help you find signs of moisture, sulfate or rust is that all mobile devices have one or more telltales or moisture seals. For example, there'll be some on the motherboard, on the display, and on the charging flexor. So if any of these are active, that area of the active seal is likely to have traces of moisture. On the other hand, if there's no active seal in any other area, it's unlikely that there's moisture in that area. Step 2. Examine it millimeter by millimeter. Take your time. Don't wipe it clean and don't put it in an ultrasound machine straight away. First of all, you need to find the area where the moisture is located and then concentrate on that to clean it. Step 3. If you don't see anything and the device is still not working, remove the shielding where you suspect sulfate may be present. Removing the shields is a highly risky task that should only be done by an experienced technician. Step 4. As soon as you find moisture, sulfate or rust, make a note of the area and clean it with 99% alcohol or acetone. You can also put it in an ultrasound machine and clean it with a brush. Pro tip, if the sulfated part includes a microphone, do not put it in the ultrasound machine because it will break. Just clean it with alcohol and a brush. Step 5. If cleaning the affected part does not fix it and you can replace the part, then do so. You can find all kinds of quality replacement parts at your trusted supplier like forphones.eu. Now, if it's the motherboard that's affected, you have to make measurements with the multimeter in order to investigate where the short circuit is. It may be that the short is in a component such as the capacitor, the resistor, a diode, or an integrated circuit. Later, we'll be uploading to our channel a video that will clarify what a short circuit is and how to repair it. So how did it go with the rice? Wait a moment, it's only been a few minutes. It needs 72 hours. In the next video, we'll show you exactly what happens when you put a wet phone in rice. And we'll see if it fixes it, saving yourself the whole repair process that we've seen in this video, if it stays the same, or if it makes it worse. Thank you very much for watching our video. See you next time.